To make your Moi-Moi pouch or Moi-Moi bag, cut your aluminum foil like this and divide it into two. I am using the standard aluminum foil, the big one. So cut it into two like this and then keep one aside. Put your hand in the middle and fold it over. Then the open edge, you fold it like 3 to 4 times. Fold it nice and flat. And fold this other open edge nice and flat 3 to 4 times to seal the bottom. Then your pouch is ready. You can scoop your Moi-Moi and put it in there. You see that open edge? So I'm going to show you one. I'm going to show you again. Put your hand in the middle and fold it over. Then you fold the edge nice and flat. Fold it 3 to 4 times to seal it well. Then one of these bottom, either this or the other side, you fold it 3 to 4 times to seal the bottom, okay? Then you leave an open side like this. Leave the upper side open so you can pour your Moi-Moi in. So assuming we had a Moi-Moi, you just pour it inside, then fold it to seal it so that it will not pour. Fold it like that 3 to 4 times. See, your pouch is ready. It's really simple. So I'm going to show you again using my Moi-Moi. So my Moi-Moi is ready, already mixed, and this is my pouch. So what I'm gonna do is scoop my Moi-Moi, put it in my pouch or in my bag, my Moi-Moi bag. Put it there. Then you go ahead and fold it. See, it can be a little messy, but you can, after folding it, you can rinse it with water before you put it in your pot and cook. So fold it like 3 to 4 times to seal it. You see, your Moi-Moi pouch is ready.